blueberry custard.
I am so happy. My nail broke. That's great. It's not even a week old. See, there's so much snow. Holy sh! There's so much snow. I don't even know if I could make it to work tomorrow. I'll show you, and then your guys are gonna come with me to try and move the car. Let's see if we can get out. Okay, there is nothing in there, you dramatic bitch. Stop on, you're scaring me. It's not going out. Okay, let's try this. Guys, I've made it out. I just have to make it back in. Okay, perfect. Let's just start right here. Oh, ha 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 ha! I got out. I am so happy. We've been shoveling the snow for like 2 hours. Okay, now I'm gonna go outside. My nail broke. That's great. It's not even a week old. I'm gonna show you guys what the situation is outside now. Okay, let's just turn everything off. Still snowing. And this is my leg. Like, I go like this and it's like so much. Like, there is so much. See, there. Now I take this. You see how thick the thing is? Holy. Welcome to Christmas, even though it's not Christmas anymore. Yeah, we made a little path for the dogs. And we go back into the house. We made it. Today is Tuesday the 21st. It is so freaking cold. You just saw the footage of all the snow we got last night. Well, actually all day, because it was snowing all freaking day. And I woke up to like -20 degrees, and now it's like -12, so it's like warmer, but it's not. Yeah, it's very windy, which makes it like so freaking cold. Yeah, I just got off work. I'm gonna go to a store and buy something for the boots so they can rasp better in the snow, and hopefully I won't fall on ice either. I have training with Apollo, like in-person training with Apollo's trainer, and I just want to make sure I'm not falling around, you know what I mean? After that, I'm gonna go home and update my planner, do probably some TikToks, shorts. If anything exciting happens before tomorrow, you'll see me in like a second. Otherwise, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Today is Wednesday the 22nd. I just got off work I have like 27,000 layers of clothes because it's so freaking cold. And yeah, I'm gonna go home. The new phone arrived, but I can't do anything until Friday because I have butter hands, and if I dare to touch it, I'll probably gonna break it in 2 seconds. So I'll have to wait until Friday, or hopefully tomorrow will come early. Like I got a case and a screen protector from Amazon, so hopefully it'll get here tomorrow. It's at Thursday or Friday, so hopefully that way it doesn't stay just chilling in there for like 2 days without me touching it. That's like and yeah, I guess I'll show you the phone when I open it and put everything on it. If you're wondering which one I have right now, it's the iPhone 11 Pro Max. I'm gonna go home. I guess I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye. Today is Thursday the 23rd. I just got off work. I am tired. I'm gonna go home, film, transfer, and probably won't edit until tomorrow morning because I'll just try to wake up early and do it before 6. I'll be organizing my art section of the room. Do I do anything with it? No, because I don't have time to do art things anymore. Am I very artistic? No. Am I good at drawing? No. But do I like coloring? Yes, I do. I'm just gonna go drive home and then I'll start making the video. See you guys later, or maybe tomorrow. I don't know. You'll see in the next clip. Bye. Hello. That's Apollo struggling. Get up! Today is Friday the 24th. I finished editing the video and then I took a shower. As you can see, I'm ready. It's uploading there. Hopefully it'll upload on time. I'm gonna go to the living room later to be closer to the internet router, and maybe that way it'll go up quicker. Jesus. And yeah, then once that's done, I am gonna go to a friend's house and he's gonna help me set up the phone, because as you saw a few days ago I got it, but I don't want to use it because I have butter hands and I feel like it's just gonna fall and I'm gonna break it, and I don't want that. The things I got from Amazon are not even here yet, but if it's not here by the time I go out, then I'm just gonna go and buy a screen protector at least. So yeah, pretty much all I've been doing for today. So I'll see you guys later if something interesting happens, or tomorrow. Bye. Today is Saturday the 25th. I just got off work. It was a short day. I am tired. There is so much snow, like so much snow. Like it's a Monday that we had a snowstorm. Well, we have another one. You see, like, look at all the snow, and like, look. Yeah, I just spent 15 minutes cleaning the car real good so I can actually see on my way home. Oh yes, I'm gonna show you. This is how the phone looks. It is so pretty. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Thank you, Mom, for for making this happen. If you're wondering why I don't have a case on, even though I did say that I wasn't gonna use it until I had one, is because of the snow. There is still delays going on, and Amazon didn't deliver the things to my house until this morning after I left. So yeah, once I get home, I'll put the case on and that'll be great. But I did buy a screen protector because there was no way I was gonna use it without it. So yeah, at least I did put that as soon, not as soon, but like when the person that was helping me set up this phone put the screen protector right away. So yeah, that's what happened. And now I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna go buy bread on my way home. So yeah, I'm just gonna text my mom and see which type of bread am I supposed to buy. So I'll see you guys when I get home. Bye. So now I'm back home and I'm gonna show you the breads I got. Got a whole bag in here. They gave me a little sample. I spent $40.05. I don't know French, so I am so sorry for the pronunciations. Yeah, so this is just your regular French baguette, a white loaf, and a white sesame loaf. Pane de casa. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. I got this, and it is blueberry custard Danish and a cinnamon bun with the icing on top. We have another box. There is 2 lemon blueberry scones, which are these ones right here. These ones are the scones, double chocolate scones. And then on this side we have the cinnamon scone. Ooh, that's all. That's my bread haul. I hope you all like it. Don't think I'm doing anything else for the day. Maybe later I'm just gonna transfer all the footage and just put them all together and start editing so I don't get crazy tomorrow. I'll see you guys tomorrow probably. Bye. So today is Sunday the 26th. I am here with Mr. Apollo. I just got off work and came home. I am tired. Last night while shoveling snow, I hit the ground instead of the snow, and now I have like really bad pain in my neck. Like if I want to look this way, I have to turn my whole body because it hurts. I haven't done much today besides work and organizing my screen. Like it goes like this. Yeah, I don't know how to. Okay, let me like this. And I'm still kind of working on it. It's kind of mainly what I've been doing. What I'll do next is once I'm done making today's vlogs, transfer and then just edit for tomorrow. So yeah, that's all for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Share with your friends and family. Comment down below which one was your favorite part.